Want to go from zero finance skills to making six figures? Stick with me. Most people struggle with money because they never learn the basics. They overspend, miss opportunities, and wonder why their income never grows. Here's the secret. Learning simple finance skills changes everything. Track your money, budget smartly, and understand even the basics of investing. Small wins every day lead to big results. It's that simple. And now AI makes it even easier. Mint or YNAB tracks your spending automatically. ChatGPT or Claude can help you plan investments or analyze finances. QuickBooks or Xero automates bookkeeping, even if you've never done accounting before. Start using these tools, learn step by step, and watch your skills and income grow. People who master these skills go from zero knowledge to six-figure incomes, sometimes in just a few years. It's not luck, it's strategy, consistency, and the right tools. Follow me for more tips on smart finance, AI tools, and building wealth the easy way. Start your journey today.